That's great, Raksha. Raksha, so there's a specific question which has popped up in the chat box. Please tell us CFR strategy for CMA final. CFR.
So sir, because I did CA, so all the Ind ASs were covered in that. So that was not a trouble for me. And AS we have already done in Inter, so that was also not a trouble. Government accounting and all, I referred the modules for it, and I also saw some YouTube videos for it. But the person who is asking, I'll ask them or request them to also see the past papers for it, because there is a what do we say, a pattern that institute does give similar questions, so that will help them a lot for that.
So, Raksha, are AS more important or are IAS more important?
Sir,
Or both are
IAS
equally? IAS,
actually
okay.
important, because earlier it used to happen that Ind AS is the institute was asking Ind AS is more, but in the recent few attempts they have shifted to AS again. So you cannot skip one and then go. You have to study
Okay.
everything. And
Okay.
this I'm saying for all the subjects. You cannot skip
Hmm.
anything. If you
Hmm.
skip anything, you will surely see that in paper. Definitely.
Yes, this
Institute
happens a lot.
knows what portion the students are going to leave. And they will definitely give questions for it.
Correct. This I have also experienced this phenomena. Yes, absolutely.